Hello friends, I hope that you are all doing well. In this discussion, I will be showing you how to check the status of your DS-260 form. To check the status of your DS-260 form, you will need the following details at hand. One, you need the case number. You will need the surname of the main applicant. You will also need the date of birth of the main applicant. You will also need the confirmation number that the main applicant got when they submitted their DV lottery application. So that is what you need to check for this status. I will put this link to this website where you're getting to check the status in the description area, so you can click that link and be able to access this site from the description of this video. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. It motivates me to create more content like this to help many more. And to my loyal subscribers, thank you so much. Keep sharing this content so that this information can reach the people who need it. So this is the Consular Electronic Application Center, and I'm going to go to the immigrant area. This is because for diversity visas, they are under immigrant area. This is for the people who are relocating to USA and to acquire permanent residency status. So to check the status of the DS-260, you will go to the immigrant area, then go to option number 3, which is DS-260 online immigrant visa and alien registration application. That is where you're going to click. Okay, and then at this point you will need immigrant visa. You need to sign in. You will need to sign in. Welcome to the Consular Electronic Application Center, Immigrant Diversity Visa Portal. To access your case, please enter your case number below. So, and again, you're told when using this site, please do not use the browser back or refresh buttons while using this site. Instead, use the navigation links on the page. You will lose information if you use the browser back or refresh, and will need to log back into the application. So use the buttons that you're given there to navigate. You need to agree to the terms of the Privacy Act notice. Okay, check on that area. Then you will need to enter the case number. Okay, so you type the case number. Okay, and press continue. You type the case number and press continue. Having entered the correct case number and valid one and pressing continue, you will have signed in. The next thing, once signed in, that you'll be required to enter is enter the principal applicant's surname. So you enter the surname and then enter the principal applicant's date of birth, and remember to start with the day, the month, and then the year. You'll then be required to enter the visa confirmation number that the main applicant received when they did their application. Then you will be required to select I am the applicant. That is what you choose. I am the select one, which will be applicant. And then there will be some special characters that will be required to enter, and then you press continue. After entering the characters, you then press continue. When you press continue, it will then open the summary information page, and in this area it will give you some information and summary information. It will also tell you that in case you have any questions, contact Kentucky Consular Center, give you the email of the KCC, can give also the phone number and the time you can contact them. Then in the area applicant information, that area, you'll be able to see the area with IV application, immigration visa application. In that area, there are three possible status that you can see. There'll be three status that can appear there. One is start now, which means you're starting to fill the DS-260 form. And when you click on that link, you open that form. Or it will be completed, or it will be incomplete. So those are the three possible status you can find in that area. And friends, that's how you check the status of your DS-260 form. I hope you find this information useful, and if you did find some value in this video, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye.